Hi everybody, and welcome to the first video in our course designed to teach you everything you need to know about Python and the 903 project to allow you to get involved in both the design, the coding, and the advanced coding sides of that project. My name's Mark, I work for social finance, and I'll be supporting through this course. For this video, we're going to start out with an introduction to the course, where I'll try and talk you through the course structure, the milestones we're going to hit and how we're going to communicate. I'll then do a demo of the current validation tool, which has no rules implemented yet, but there's already a lot of feedback to be had there in terms of workflow and front end. I'll then talk you through where the code is currently hosted on GitHub and give an overview of how to navigate that space and collaborate there. And I'll finally talk you through making an account on Replit and writing that first line of Python. So before I jump into the on-screen demos, in terms of how the course is going to run, there'll be around 8 to 10 videos like this, around 10 to 50 minutes in length. Each one will focus on a different topic, and the course is designed to allow for different milestones leading to different levels of involvement. The first milestone is to watch this video. So if you're watching this, you're already on the right journey. If you watch this video and read the supplementary materials that come with it, that should give you enough information to be able to be involved in the design of the front end and the website around this validation tool and feed into the work that we're doing in designing the best workflows for this validation information to flow through. The next milestone will be around video 5 or 6, which is the point when we hope to have covered all the basics of Python and get you to a point where you're able to code your first rule and add that to the rule engine that we're working on. And the final milestone will be finishing all the videos, at which point you'll be able to work even with the advanced rules around, say, monitoring lengths of entire episodes, comparing to previous years, and dreaded rules like postcodes and URN lookups. In terms of communication and support through the course, I'll be available for a drop-in session twice a week where you can come informally at any point in that period and ask your questions. The details of this will be on the Slack shortly. Otherwise, always feel free to Slack me or email me. If you're already on the Data to Insight Slack, that's great. If Slack is not an option for your local authority, then you can reach me by email as well. The details for that will be in the comments below. Each video will have an associated set of summary materials to remind you what was covered in the video, and also a few tasks or exercises to cover to sort of test your knowledge. And I would encourage everyone who's involved in this project to watch all the videos at least once. I think if you have a lot of coding knowledge already, you'll probably find that you can get up to that second milestone quite quickly. But I think watching them once will just give you that overview that's needed, and the exercises might just help you double check that your knowledge is in the right place. That being said, without further ado, I will move on to demoing the tool and showing you how to access that on your side.